all EW, economically and practically, why are trade deficits irrelevant? They're irrelevant for the same reason your trade deficit with the grocery store is irrelevant. They're irrelevant because individuals trade, countries don't. So if I buy something from the Chinese guy and a Chinese goods flow into the United States and my money flows to the United States, what relevance does that have to anything? And if you add the fact that the currency that flows out of the United States, the dollars, really the bits, right? It's all digital today. It has to be brought back into the United States because you can't use dollars. You can use dollars to buy some stuff in the world, but in the end, the investments and the stuff you really want, you use dollars for is in the U.S. So the money flows back, and the money flows back primarily as investments. So if you take the trade deficit, and the trade deficit, and then you look at the investment surplus. So how many dollars do Americans invest in foreign countries versus how many dollars the people in foreign countries invest in America? There we have a massive surplus. More people invest in America than American invest outside of America, and the two equal out. They equal out because in the end of the day, every dollar that is sent out there to buy stuff has to come back. But think of it in another way, and this is all economic and practical. Economics is practice. You're sending, when you buy stuff from Canada, you're sending the Canadians dollars, paper money, fiat money, and what you get instead of it is stuff, oil or auto parts. At the end of the day, what has more value, stuff or paper money? Well, stuff. So there's no way you're losing by it. Going back to the fact that all trade is individuals. Why are individuals trading? Why is a Canadian and American trading? Because both are better off by trade. So, and now you're taxing that. When you tax something, you get less of it. If you tax trade, you get less trade. So you get less win-win situations. Why is that good? How's that good? So all of that. Plus, you can just do your on-book trade, and you can see whole videos I've done just on that.